far as Tenna goes, all the mechanics know pretty much where they're going for the next day. The work orders are pretty easy to set up. That's what impressed me. Looking at all the work orders you can do just right from your phone. That saved us a lot of time. All the mechanics can see all the work orders that have been done on that one machine in one place. So I would say that's probably one of the biggest wins for us.
That's been very, very powerful for us to knock things out before it becomes a stack of official work orders. That really empowers people, right? That's been our big evolution with Tenna, is realizing how mobile we are, and that Tenna sort of has an extra layer of support for us because of all the mobile functions and the inspection ability. The power of doing it in the app, seeing all three of those things, whether it's a preventive maintenance, an inspection, or something that's a specific damage. So all our mechanics go out to the yards to do the maintenance. They want to make sure that they have every hour of the day saturated, essentially. The visibility is probably the biggest value for us. Go out to service a yard, the ability to feel confident that that mechanic has 8 hours worth of work out there. When you grow to a size that we have, that's very difficult to do. We know when something breaks down, but what we didn't treat as something that's part of the same effort is daily maintenance things, right? Wiper blades, tire treads getting a little low. But when you have it on an automated rolling schedule, coupled with daily inspections, now our mechanics are able to see everything. The entire management of the fleet sees the same issue. It's not just lodged into one mechanic's head.